sponsored by Chicago's Pizza, located at 8498 Indiana 56.
Good morning, I'm Joni, and this is your PHS News Today for Friday, November 2nd. NHS and NJHS are sponsoring a food drive until November 9th. Please bring all donations to your first period teachers. The first period with the most items per student will earn a breakfast treat. Already thinking about lunch? Check out the cafeteria serving up today. And now to Audrey with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Joni. In honor of football sectionals and band heading to state, we are having dress-up days. Today is all out purple and gold. On Saturday, the girls' basketball team will be at home starting off their season against Southridge at 6. Tonight, starting at 7:30 at home, will be the championship game for football. The theme is Jersey. Come support your Rams in action. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Ian Wilder with your weather report.
Thank you. So as we go through your day, we do have about a 9% chance of rain later in your day, and heading into the weekend, we do have some slight chances, but as we head into your weekend, about a 50% chance on Saturday and a slight chance on Sunday. For your weather today, we have a high of 71 and a low of 51. As we head into the weekend, temperatures will drop a little. On Saturday, we have a high of 58 and a low of 41, and starting into your weekend on Sunday, we have a high of 59 and a low of 48. Back to you, Joni.
And now to Audrey to interview senior band member Maggie McGowan about the band heading to state.
Thank you, Joni. Maggie, compared to last year's show, how is this one better?
This one is better because each year you're going to have a different group of kids throughout band, and I think this year's group is actually really good. They've worked hard, and I think this year we're actually able to win a state championship.
What improvements have you made since semi-state?
The improvements that we have made since semi-state is we've added some more body, we've changed a little bit of the music, and that way the judges will like us and it'll be a good show.
When and where do you perform Saturday?
We perform at Lucas Oil Stadium at 6:11 p.m.
Thank you, Maggie. Back to you, Joni.
I'm Joni, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a Joni-tastic day.